Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how I made this special chicken spaghetti jollof. You guys, this spaghetti is so yummy, you want to cook it again and again. So let's get right into it. To begin, you need your chicken. Of course, I have my chicken breast. You can use whatever part of chicken you have. So just go ahead and cut your chicken into whatever shape, but I'll be going for the long thin shape because I want it to just look like our spaghetti. And I'll season with some garlic, ginger, onion powder, some thyme, curry powder, and seasoning powder. Give this a really good mix and you allow it to marinate for about an hour. You can do it longer if you have enough time. So over to our veggies. So I'll be using the red bell pepper, and you can see how I'm cutting it. Go ahead and clean the inside, take out the seeds. So just cut it into your desired shape. You can do it like I'm doing also if you want to achieve my result. Yes, I also use carrots. So go ahead and clean your carrot. I had to scrape, you guys, I had to scrape the back of the carrot and clean it very well. So please go ahead and clean your carrot, and I'll be using this unique cutter to get a very beautiful shape so that our food can be looking, you know, classy and beautiful. So when you're done with that, go ahead and cut your other veggies. I use these runner beans. It's also called the green beans, popularly called the green beans actually. So I'll just cut it into this very beautiful shape also. So once you're done with all the veggies, let's start cooking. In a pot of boiling water, add some salt and some vegetable oil and just throw in your spaghetti. You can just cook it long as it is like this. You don't have to break it. And after about 6 to 7 minutes, you should have something like this. So just drain it out and let's get to the sauce. So in a pot, I'll go in with some vegetable oil, and when that is all heated up, I'll go in with my chopped onions and our marinated chicken. So we are going to fry this chicken until it turns a little bit brown. And you can also do this in batches. You may not have to necessarily add so much into the pot like I'm doing right now. If you want it to be, quite fast, you can see that it has released a little bit of juice. So I'll just let it keep frying until it drinks all of that juice up, and I can see oil in the pot. So like I said, you can do this in batches. It's going to be faster for you. So you can see how it's looking already. So we'll just take this out and proceed to making our sauce. So in the same pot, I'm going to use some more vegetable oil, my chopped onions, and I'll just fry this for a bit to release its fragrance. Then I'll go in with my tomato paste. Go ahead and fry your tomato paste until it's properly incorporated in the oil and it begins to taste sweet. Let it just look, something like this. Then you go in with your pepper mix. I already had this pepper mix prepared in my freezer, so it's a combination of tomato, cayenne pepper, garlic, ginger, and onion. So I'll be dropping the full list of the ingredients I used and their measurements in the description box, so do check it out and use it when you want to. So I've gone in with some seasoning right now. I went in with garlic, ginger, and onion, some seasoning powder, and then I've gone in a little bit of water to break up the sauce. So just you're going to allow this to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes until you can see oil floating at the top like this. Aha, your sauce is good to go. So taste and adjust with seasoning at this point, and once it's all ready, you can go in with your fried chicken, you guys. Stir this properly and then go in with the rest of the veggies. Still watching at this point, then this is a good time to please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, drop me a nice comment. Thank you, thank you. So I've gone in with my veggies and I'm just going to mix this properly so that everything can, be properly incorporated. You can see how rich our sauce is looking. So I'll fry this for about 5 minutes to give the veggies time to also cook. Then I'll go in with our spaghetti. Now it's time to mix, mix, mix and mix. You're going to mix, use your spatula, your picker, whatever you have, your wooden spoon, and just give this a really good mix properly so that everything can combine. This recipe right here is a must try. If you've not made your spaghetti like this before, just give this a try and thank me later. You guys, this dish came out so yummy, so well. Can you see that? Can you see? Please subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes like this, and thank you so much for watching. Till I come your way again, remember to stay blessed, stay happy. Bye guys.